Some of you have been asking me how I increase the quality of my images, right? This is an answer to your questions. In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase the quality of your image using AI. I've recorded one video before on how to increase the quality of your image, how to enhance your image using Photoshop. But in this video, I'm going to be using AI, right? So the name of the AI tool is called Cutout.pro. Cutout.pro. I'll put the link in the description or on the screen so that you can see it. Once you get to the website, this is what you will see, right? And then you just come to products. You come to their product, then you see all the things that they have. They have image background remover, which means you can use it to remove background of your image. You can use it to remove background of your video, retouch, face cut, and so much more. But in this video, we are going to be enhancing the quality of our image, right? Once you click on photo enhancer or sharpener, it will take you to this place, right? And once you come here, the first and only thing that you need to do is to upload your image, right? Once you upload it, you watch it do the magic. This is the one we did in Photoshop, and then this is the original image. You just click on it and then click upload, then watch the magic happen, right? Just watch the magic perform itself. You understand? We have to wait for it to load. You can see once, so see the original image and see the this one. So let's click on it and download, right? Now let's go back to our image, see see the original and see the one we just downloaded, right? See the original and see the one we just downloaded. Let's open this, right? And then let's open the one that we just downloaded and see the difference, right? So let me zoom this and then let me zoom the one that we just downloaded. You can see that the one that we downloaded with AI is sharper than this one, right? You can see, let me zoom it further and zoom it further. You can see. So that is it, guys. This is how to enhance your image using AI, right? So thank you for coming. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Let's grow this channel together and share this video to whoever you think needs it. And then you can join our Telegram channel if you have any question, right? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.